What if I told you the fastest animal on Earth is not a cheetah, not a shark, and not even a plane in the sky? It's a bird. And when the peregrine falcon dives, it becomes a living missile. Today, we're uncovering the incredible story of the peregrine falcon, the fastest animal on Earth. This bird can dive at unbelievable speed, strike with precision, and survive in both wild cliffs and busy cities. By the end of this video, you'll see why the peregrine falcon is one of nature's most amazing predators.
Most people think that cheetah is the fastest animal on Earth, but that title belongs to a bird.
This is the peregrine falcon, a powerful bird of prey, known for speed, precision, and incredible hunting skills. When it dives prey, it can reach speeds of over 200 miles per hour, making it the fastest animal on Earth. It spots its target from high above, folds its wings, and falls through the air like a missile. Its body is shaped for speed, with strong muscles, sharp vision, and wings designed for high-speed hunting. Peregrine falcons live on cliffs, mountains, and even tall city buildings, showing how adaptable they are. Once threatened, the peregrine falcon made an amazing comeback and became a conservation success story. The peregrine falcon proves that in nature, speed is not power, it's survival. Like and subscribe for more amazing animal facts.